A spark from the past, the early days of electric cars, these vehicles were a marvel of their time, capturing the imagination of inventors and the public alike. You know, electric cars are not a new idea, they have a rich history that dates back over a century. In fact, they actually predate gasoline cars. The first electric vehicles were developed in the late 19th century, around the 1880s and 1890s. These early electric vehicles were innovative for their time. They were powered by batteries and offered a quieter, smoother ride compared to their noisy gasoline counterparts. These early electric cars were simple and quiet. They were especially popular in urban areas where their limited range was less of an issue. However, they lacked the range and speed of gasoline cars. This limitation made them less practical for long-distance travel. As a result, gasoline cars became the dominant form of transportation. The internal combustion engine offered greater range and faster speeds, which appealed to a broader audience. But the dream of electric cars never truly died. Enthusiasts and engineers continued to work on improving the technology. In the late 20th century, concerns about pollution and climate change sparked renewed interest in electric vehicles. People began to realize the environmental impact of gasoline cars. Advances in battery technology and electric motors made electric cars more practical. These improvements addressed many of the limitations of earlier models. Car manufacturers began to invest in electric car development. They saw the potential for a cleaner, more sustainable future. This marked the beginning of the modern electric car era. Today, electric cars are more popular than ever, representing a significant shift in the automotive industry. Tesla Motors emerged as a major force in the electric car industry in the early 21st century, revolutionizing the way people think about electric vehicles. Founded in 2003 by engineers Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning, Tesla aimed to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. With Elon Musk joining shortly after, the company gained significant momentum and vision. Tesla's first car, the Roadster, was a high-performance electric sports car that could go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4 seconds. This groundbreaking vehicle showcased the potential of electric powertrains. It captured the public's imagination and demonstrated the potential of electric vehicles, proving that they could be both exciting and practical. The Tesla Model S, a luxury sedan introduced in 2012, further solidified Tesla's position as an EV leader. It was praised for its sleek design, cutting-edge technology, and impressive performance. The Model S boasted an impressive range of over 300 miles on a single charge, along with exceptional acceleration and advanced autopilot features, setting new standards in the automotive industry. It became the world's best-selling plug-in electric car for several years, cementing Tesla's reputation for innovation and quality. Tesla continued to innovate with the Model X, a unique SUV with falcon wing doors that offered both style and functionality. This model appealed to families and tech enthusiasts alike. These models helped Tesla gain a loyal following and disrupt the traditional automotive industry, paving the way for a future where electric vehicles are the norm rather than the exception. Tesla is constantly pushing the boundaries of electric vehicle technology. The company is developing next-generation platforms that promise to be even more advanced and affordable. One key focus is on reducing manufacturing costs to make electric cars accessible to a wider audience. Tesla is also working on a fully autonomous cybercab as part of its robotaxi fleet plans. These new platforms will utilize innovative manufacturing processes, such as single-piece castings and structural battery packs. Tesla is building gigafactories worldwide to support the production of these next-generation vehicles. These factories will be highly automated and efficient, further reducing costs and increasing production capacity. Tesla's goal is to make electric cars the primary mode of transportation in the future. Section 4. AI, the engine powering Tesla's ambitions. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is at the heart of Tesla's strategy. Tesla vehicles are equipped with advanced autopilot systems that provide driver assistance features. Tesla is also developing fully autonomous driving capabilities. The company's AI expertise extends beyond its vehicles. Tesla is investing heavily in AI research and development. Tesla's Dojo supercomputer is designed specifically for training AI models for autonomous driving. The company is also developing robots, such as the Optimus humanoid robot, for various applications. Tesla's AI innovations are not limited to its own products and services. Tesla aims to leverage its AI capabilities to address broader challenges such as accelerating sustainable energy adoption. Section 5. Expanding the grid. Tesla's global footprint. Tesla is expanding its global presence to meet the growing demand for electric vehicles. The company is not just about cars, it's about creating a sustainable future. The company has gigafactories in the United States, China, and Germany, each playing a crucial role in Tesla's mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. With plans to build more in the future, Tesla aims to increase its production capacity and bring electric vehicles to more markets around the world. Tesla's factory in Grünheide, Germany, is particularly notable, as it represents a significant investment in the European market. It is expected to become one of the largest car plants in Europe, producing hundreds of thousands of vehicles annually. This expansion allows Tesla to produce cars closer to its customers, reducing transportation costs and lead times, which is crucial for efficiency and customer satisfaction. By having factories in strategic locations, Tesla can better serve its global customer base, ensuring quicker delivery times and lower shipping costs. Tesla is also investing heavily in charging infrastructure, recognizing that a robust network is essential for the widespread adoption of electric vehicles. The company's supercharger network is the largest fast-charging network in the world, providing convenient and quick charging options for Tesla owners on long journeys. This network allows Tesla drivers to travel long distances with ease, knowing they can recharge quickly and continue their journey without significant delays. Tesla's global expansion is not without its challenges, including regulatory hurdles, supply chain issues, and competition from other automakers. But the company is committed to making electric cars accessible to as many people as possible, driving innovation and sustainability in the automotive industry. Section 6. Beyond Tesla, the wider EV movement. Tesla's success has inspired other automakers to accelerate their electric vehicle programs. Established car manufacturers are now launching a wide range of electric cars and SUVs. This competition is driving innovation and bringing down the cost of electric vehicles, benefiting consumers. Governments worldwide are also playing a role in promoting electric vehicle adoption. Many countries offer financial incentives to electric car buyers, such as tax credits and subsidies. Governments are also investing in charging infrastructure to make it easier for people to charge their electric vehicles. These efforts are creating a more favorable environment for electric car adoption. Section 7. The road ahead. Electric cars and a sustainable future. The future of transportation is electric. Electric cars offer numerous advantages over gasoline cars. They are more efficient, emit no tailpipe emissions, and are becoming increasingly affordable. As battery technology continues to improve and charging infrastructure expands, electric cars will become even more practical and appealing to consumers. The transition to electric vehicles is essential for reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and combating climate.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if you like videos like this. Thank you.